guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my review and tutorial using the brand new Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette volume 1. So excited to have this palette. It is so gorgeous and I have been loving it. I've already been using it now for about a week-ish. I don't know how long it's been. I know I got this like super quick, which was surprising because I am here in Indiana, but I've really been loving it. I've been playing with the different formulas and yeah. So today I just kind of wanted to film a tutorial for you guys and give you guys my thoughts. I'm not going to swatch everything because Tati has done that already. And I've watched a couple other videos on it while I was waiting for mine to come in, so I was super excited, and like pretty much everyone and their mother has done swatches. So I really don't want to waste any time and make this video longer than it's probably already going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to dip into the shade Aurora, the matte one of it, so matte Aurora. And I'm just going to use this as a base all over. It's just like a good nude color for me. It just gives something else for the rest of the shadows to kind of lay onto. Alright, and with the same brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Matte Soothe. And it is this nude right here between the orange and Aurora. So it's right next to that. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease with windshield wiper motions and just blend it out. I've been picking up product. I'll go in first, like right in the middle, like where you guys saw me start, and then I will go in the outer corner and then start blending from there. And then I'll take like a little bit more and place it on the inner portion and then just work in the windshield wiper motions in like little circles to blend that out. These shadows blend really well. I like how they're pigmented, but like you can still like work on blending it out and just having like a really soft effect. I think this palette will be really great for smoky eyes. I'm gonna do one of the looks that I've been doing. I've been using like 4 different glitters. I haven't used the pink glitter yet or the memory like metallic one that I think would be gorgeous for a smoky eye yet. But I've been getting a lot of questions about the looks I've been doing. I know this is definitely like an everyday look, but it's going to be elevated because I am going to be using the glitter today. It's my favorite. So good. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my tapered fluffy Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name, so I'm not really sure exactly what it is. But I'm going in with the orange shade. It is Matte Story. And I'm going to place this again in my crease, but I'm going to keep it a little bit lower than I kept the shade Soothe. I like how this just adds some warmth to the look. It's really great for fall. I think this is a good time for this palette to come out. Like, I know it's an everyday neutrals palette, which was expected. Tati usually wears a lot of neutrals, which everyone needs like a good neutral traveling palette, and this is literally in my top 3 favorites now. Taking it just a little bit higher right here because I know that I am like more hooded right here on this eye because I do have that scar, so I kind of just have to like tweak my look to make it a little bit more even. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just dip back into Soothe really quick to help blend out what I just did on this eye. Alright, next up I'm gonna work in my outer crease. And I'm going to go in with the matte shade in Ritual, this really pretty chocolate brown. And like I said, I'm going to be working in the outer corner. So I'm going to place this there, my outer corner, outer V, and then blend it into my crease. And then once there's less product, I will take it over to the rest of my crease. Bringing it about like 2/3 of the way once there's less product. Also, I'm not going to use the black today, but I do have to say the black is really nice. I've used it once to like help smoke things out with one of my looks I did, and I really liked it. I like how it's not like crazy intense, but like it is pigmented, and it just kind of helps deepen a look even more. Like I said, I can't wait to do a smoky eye with this palette. It's not happening today, but probably this weekend. If I have a chance, I will film that, but more than likely this weekend I'm going to be filming with the entire bundle that I got from Beautylish of the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab. The only thing I did not get was the lip balm, which I'm not really bummed about. It's cute, but I didn't want to go pay for it separately because it's $18 for a lip balm. I'm fine with my Burt's Bees. I love Shane, but I do not need it. But I did get both pig mirrors in that bundle, and I really just wanted the pink one, so I might be adding that black pig mirror to my 10K giveaway on Instagram, which I'm getting close, guys. Still have a ways to go. I don't know when it's going to be, but more than likely I will be adding the black mirror to it. So yeah, can't wait. I got both palettes, that bundle, a bag, both palettes, all the liquid lips, the gloss, both mirrors, and then yeah. So it says it will be delivered tomorrow, so I'm so excited. I do have to work though the next couple of days, so I can't film with it yet. I feel like if I really want to do like a really fun look, so I don't want to like film before work on Friday and go in with like an absolutely crazy makeup look, since I do work at a bridal shop. Right now I'm going to go back in with Story, that orange, and just kind of help blend things out. I like going back in with the previous shade just to, like I said, help blend things out. Just makes everything look more seamless. It's extra work, but I think it's worth it in the end. But you guys have to let me know what else you guys would like me to add. Like I already said, I have a couple things. I'm thinking about adding some lashes that I love and wear all the time. A gift card for like a boutique, since I do fashion on my Instagram mostly. Some other makeup things. Just stay on the lookout for it. My cat is looking at me, trying to jump up here because I closed him in and closed my door since I was filming. And he was already in here, just like laying here, like all content. So I'm like, okay, you're in here then. And now he's looking at me like I want to sit on your lap or else I want out. I don't know which. Think today to start, I do want to like put the sequin formula on my eye to like give it a base layer, just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I'm not just sticking with the sequin, but I'm going to go in with the sequin and Soothe really fast. And I'm just putting on this flat brush, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner just a little, just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. It has like a really nice subtle glitter. So that is what the sequin formula kind of looks like. I used Soothe, as I said. I know in her video she said that it kind of stands out more in the darker shades, obviously, because it does have like a lighter glitter compared to a deeper shade. But that being said, I'm going to dip in now to a metallic. I'm going to do my favorite look. So I am going to wet my brush because I don't want any fallout, because I am someone that likes to do my face first. Also, Brayden decided to sit in the chair back there. I don't know if you can see that. That's probably like super shaky. Sorry. But I am going to be dipping into the metallic in Story. So this one right here. And I'm going to be placing this all over the lid. And then after, we will go in with some glitter. Before I go in with glitter, I actually want to do my lower lash shadow. So I'm going to dip back into the matte Soothe and just kind of sweep this on my lower lash line, both eyes. I'm taking it like pretty much all the way in to my inner corner. I'm going to dip into Story, that exact same brush, do the same thing. This one I'm not going to take all the way in. Again, sweep away. I'm going to go back in with this Morphe brush and dip back into Ritual, that matte shade. And put this on the outer corner and then like blend it in to this outer corner. And I'm just going to tap that over the lid and make sure I didn't lose any of that before I go in with the glitter. So one thing I will say, it might just be this metallic, because this one does look a little bit more subtle than, say, Memories metallic. But these are really pretty, but they're not like as foily of a metallic that I'm personally used to, but I do think they're still really nice and beautiful. I would definitely just rock this, and I have before, but I kind of want to amp it up. So we are going to amp it up with some glitter. So my favorite glitter to put over top of this from this palette is actually the Soothe glitter instead of the Story. I like because it's like a little bit of a different color. It's like a more, I don't know, like a lighter neutral brown. So I'm gonna go in with this glitter and kind of lightly pack this over. I don't like using my finger for glitters and shadows in general. Like, I will if I have to, and I know I should, but these, you really don't need to. I just tapped on a little bit and it already is grabbing and crazy, crazy good. I have not used glitters in a while, actually. Alright, definitely got some fun with that, so I'm just gonna sweep it away and kind of get my eyelashes good. So before I go with mascara, I do want to line. I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath liner in Black Coffee, and I should probably get a new one during the Rouge sale, or what is it called now? It's like it used to be called like the VIB sale for Sephora. I think it's like the holiday bonus sale now. I am going to be doing a blog post later today as well, sharing my picks. I already shared my picks on the Like to Know app in case there's any of you out there who already have access now like I do. But I want to kind of explain why things are on my list, because I know some of those products you guys are probably like, okay, I know you have that and use it, but some of them, that's the point, like I stock up on those products. So I want to do like a blog post explaining why they're on my list, if that makes sense, like if they're for gifts, if they're things I want, if they're things I stock up on, if they're products that I just recommend that I already have, I don't need to stock up on, things like that. Alright, so we have our liner on. Sweep my followed again, so I did line over some glitter. So right now I'm going in with my mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Alright, so off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, add some blush, highlight, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. Alright, so I am back. Lashes are on. Rest of my makeup is complete. I will have the other products on my face listed down below for you guys if you are interested, but I really like how this look turned out. Honestly, I'm not even sure if my lashes are completely dry, because I usually like finish doing like my hair or whatever else I need to do while my lashes do dry. I think they're most of the way dry. But yeah, so overall my thoughts on this palette, I really like it. I think the colors are very beautiful. Yes, it is obviously very neutral. If you're even looking at buying this palette, you should know that, and you shouldn't be expecting a bunch of color. It is Tati's first palette that she's ever came out with, so obviously I think it was fitting that it stays true to her. It's very neutral, but I do really love the formulas in this palette. I think they're gorgeous. I think it's definitely different, at least it's different from what I've seen, how she has it labeled with the different formulas on this side with the matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. And then down here she has the shade, like, color story, which I think is super cute. And I haven't seen that done a lot, but it's definitely different. I think the palette looks cleaner without all of the names on it. And I like how you can still reference each color, even though the names are on, like, under each eyeshadow. So I also really like the mirror and how it can actually lay flat on your desk, and the mirror is super nice, big. I don't want to like hold it up because it will probably blind you guys because my ring light is behind my camera. But I really like it. I think it's a great beginner palette, and definitely if you want to like dip into some glitter, has some nice weight to it. It feels really nice, and I do like the matte texture, and it has like the raised bronzy Tati Beauty, and I do like how it says like volume 1, and then over here it kind of like how she said it's like storybook themed. I think that's super cute, and I like how she said her entire brand is going to be like centered around that. Overall, I do really like this palette. I think it's great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have all of my products on my face linked down below. Be sure and follow me on all my socials. I am most active on Instagram. I post there every single day there in the Like to Know It app. I've been trying to stay pretty consistent on YouTube. It just kind of depends on the week. I had a really crazy last week. I did film, but I wasn't able to get it up. So it's exciting, but also stressful, trying to just kind of keep up with everything. Yeah, thank you guys for sticking around, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!